In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the creation of radius and diameter dimensions in AutoCAD. The radius dimension tool is located on the Home tab in the annotation panel. You'll have to click the drop-down next to the dimension tool to locate it. After selecting the radius tool, you can simply click on an arc or circle to see its dimension, then click to place the dimension. Let's see that one more time. I'll choose the radius tool, I'll select an arc, then click to place the radius dimension. The diameter dimension works very similarly. Once again, on the Home tab in the Annotation panel, I will click the drop-down next to the Dimension tool and choose Diameter. This time I'll select a circle, and I can click to place to see the diameter dimension. Let's see that one more time. Select the diameter, choose a circle, then click to place the dimension. Most drafting standards call for the dimension of arcs to be radius values and the dimensions of full circles to be diameters. But it is important to note that the tool works both ways. I can place a diameter on an arc if I want, and I can also place a radius dimension on a circle if I want. That concludes this look on radius and diameter dimensions in AutoCAD.